Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I will solve this rainbow ball cube. So this is very interesting cube and we can solve this cube very easily. Before starting this cube, first if I check this cube, so in every side we have different color. I mean there is yellow circle, there is red, purple, green, light green, orange, and this is blue. So in this puzzle we have one empty circle, so we will place any extra piece in this position and we will replace to each other. So we can rotate our pieces like that. I mean we can replace to each other. So this is very interesting puzzle and we can solve this puzzle very easily. So now I am scrambling this puzzle ball and then I will solve this. Okay, so I have scrambled this puzzle. Now I will start to solve this puzzle. So first step, we will find our extra hole. So this is our extra hole because we have no any color in this position. So first we will free this gap like that. Now we will select its opposite side. So this is opposite side. Now we will start to solve from this position. In this side we will place black, then we will solve this portion, and then we will solve this top side. So we have total, we can say we have total 3 layers and 3 sides. This is our first side, this is middle, and this is top. Okay, so we will start from black. First we will place any extra piece in this empty slot, and then we will shift this piece in this position and we will free this black circle and bring this black in this side. So this is done. Now we will solve our this circle. For example, in this side we need light blue, so there is light blue. Just rotate in this position. So this purple we can shift on this side. In this side we need light green, so first we will shift this piece in this position, then place this piece in this side, and then we will shift this piece. So this is done. In this side we will fix this pink color. So this is our pink color. First we will bring it close. Okay, so now we need to fix on this side, so we will bring this up, placed on this position, and this extra piece we will bring it up, place pink on this side and bring this piece back. So this is done. In this side we need green, so there is green. So we will place this ball in this position, then place this, then replace this, and then bring it down. So this second portion we have also completed. Now we have left with this top side. So this yellow is fixed. In this side we need blue, so there is blue. Orange is fixed. In this side we need green, and in this side we need red. So shift this red in this side, rotate green and bring it down. So we can see all color we have placed properly. So this is very interesting and very easy puzzle. We can solve very easily. So just request to everyone, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.